Hi preview girls, my name is Xeng Zulueta, makeup artist, and I'm here today to show you how to be selfie ready for the summer. For our first step, I'd like to prep the skin with some micellar water. This is by Colourette. Okay, and for the second step, I like to do a double prep. So I'm using another toner by BANILA & Co. And it's their Dear Hydration Toner because I want to emphasize the flushed cheeks today and the dewiness of the skin. I'm starting with a damp brush. It's one of these oval brushes. And I'm starting with the eyes first. So you might be wondering, okay, why is she starting with the eyes first? Because the focus of this look are actually the cheeks and the brows. Another reason why I do a damp brush is so that the eyeshadow stays on longer and it becomes more skin-like. So I'm going to show you. So you lay the oval brush flat on its side to do a wash of color. Our next step is curling the lashes. Next step, mascara. I'm using the Hyper Curl Volume Express from Maybelline. And here's a tip that I have for you guys. I bend the brush, so when you take your mascara, I bend it. So it's gonna look like that. See? So you can just wiggle the brush. Okay, for the next step, I'm using concealer from K Palette. The next step is putting mascara on the bottom lashes. Same deal. For the next step, I'm going to lightly contour Maria's cheekbones with the use of the OFRA contouring kit. With my stippling brush and my cheek tint oil, I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to go spread it across the cheekbone of Maria Fabiana this way. We're accustomed to using a stippling brush in a circular way. We're not doing that today. So I'm just gonna do side to side, making sure to really exaggerate the strokes. We don't get sunburn in a circular motion. Basically, we get a sunburn across the face like this. Okay, and on the other side, same thing. And the last area where I would like to put is across the bridge of the nose. So okay, you're gonna have a stripe right across the cheek like that. But that's fine because now we're going to move on to the highlighter. You must be wondering why I haven't blended the cheeks because we have one missing ingredient. And the last one is by Glam Glow. So it's a serum, that's a highlighter, that's a bronzer all-in-one. We're going to take a little bit of the product and on the high points that we were talking about earlier to highlight. On the other side as well. Next, we're going to do the lips and I'm using Vice Cosmetics lipstick and lip liner, and the shade is Chuk. Don't worry about imperfect application because that's what the lip liner is for. Okay, and then a trick that I like to do after applying lipstick is basically just swipe my hand across the lip, take it out. I just like to leave a stain. And the last step for our look today is the brows. Maybelline has a really neat product called Brow Drama. And I'm starting off with the clear shade to set the brows. So how to use this is you basically push all the brows inward and then we're gonna start applying the Brow Drama that has tint. So I chose a brown that resembles Maria's hair color. It's gonna look a little bit crazy like that. That's fine, we like that. And then we push it back and brush it up. With a spoolie, we're now gonna tame the eyebrow hairs into place. What's a spoolie? It's like, it looks like a mascara brush. This wraps the look if you have normal to dry skin. But saying my skin is so oily, I have blemishes, I have breakouts, whatever, and I need more coverage foundation, that's absolutely fine. You just have to add more steps actually. So I'm gonna show you how to matte this down in the event that your skin, like me, is on the oily side, okay? This is a new product again by Colorette. It's called the Flexi Foundation. It's a wet or dry foundation. With a small blending brush, I'm just basically going to address the points that get oily. Because the highlighter that we used is a serum, you can just add the powder right on top. there you have it. Thanks for watching.